Namaskar. Your body works non-stop for 24 hours, 365 days to take care of you. But if you feel low on energy, tired and lethargic, then it is a sign from your body. You see, over time, many toxins get accumulated in your kidney, our intestine and our liver. This affects the body, making it dull and sluggish and less efficient. Today, I will teach you how to make an all natural detox drink which can help you detox various systems. All you have to do is drink this for 14 days continuously. But before, let's see how accumulated toxins can harm you. First, let's look at our intestine, which absorb nutrients from food. But did you know that when you eat junk food or highly processed food, bits and particles from these stick to the walls of your intestine? This buildup prevents proper absorption of nutrients, causes bloating and leaves you low on energy. Then comes the kidney, which cleans approximately 189 liters of blood every day and then flushes out waste water and toxins through urine. But when your body is full of toxins from processed food, sugar-filled drinks and pollutants, then waste products like urea and creatinine build up in kidneys. And this causes fatigue, puffiness and even dark circles under your eyes. This detox drink helps support your kidneys by improving hydration and helping in the removal of these waste products. And finally, let's see how toxins affect our liver. The liver uses enzymes to break toxin molecules into smaller molecules. It then neutralizes these smaller molecules by binding them to substances like glutathione or sulfur. But sometimes the liver can face excess toxins from alcohol, fatty foods, or even pesticides. Then this detox mechanism of the liver slows down and it struggles to remove these toxins from our body. The ingredients you need to make this detox drink are passion fruit pulp from one fresh passion fruit. You can scoop out the seeds and pulp the rest of the fruit. 1 tablespoon ready-made amla juice or half an amla, blended and strained. 3-4 fresh mint leaves, half-inch ginger piece, grated or finely chopped. 1 cup water. Now understand a method how to make this drink. First, scoop the passion fruit pulp into a glass. Then add amla juice, grated ginger and mint leaves. And finally pour in 1 glass of water and stir well. Drink this powerful detox drink mid-morning or early afternoon for a refreshing boost or after meals to aid digestion. It will give you many benefits because amla and passion fruit are richest source of vitamin C and antioxidants. These strengthen our immune system. And passion fruit has 16 times more iron than oranges. Vitamin C in amla and passion fruit also promotes collagen production, giving you healthier, glowing skin and stronger hair. The mint leaves reduce bloating and improves digestion. Ginger contains bioactive compounds like gingerol, which can reduce joint pain. So be committed to drink this detox drink for 14 days to give your body the priceless gift of an all-natural, all-round detox. Namaskar.